With the arrival of spring comes a return of green lawns and blooming flowers. Lawn maintenance picks back up, and one of the most important steps of maintaining a healthy lawn is watering it appropriately. Oftentimes, most of us know we should water the lawn, but we aren't sure how much. As Bermuda grass lawns begin to green up again, they'll need about 1 inch of water per week, including rainfall, to stay lush and green. A single deep watering per week is ideal, and should be all the water your lawn needs for the week. Be careful not to overwater your lawn, as too much water can promote disease outbreaks. Consider conducting a simple irrigation audit to measure how much water each zone of your lawn is receiving. Refer to the link in the video's description on YouTube to learn more about irrigation audits. For more information on best irrigation practices, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Celebration, Latitude 36, and Northbridge. If you have a different kind of Bermuda grass, refer to our generic Bermuda grass maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like pest control, mowing heights, and more for Bermuda grass lawns.